Lesson 5-1A, Integers in the Real World. This is one of the most common questions students ask is, how am I going to use this in real life? So today you're going to see how integers apply to the real world. Go ahead and grab a piece of paper and a pencil and take notes along the way, and I want you to pause and work out these problems right along with me. So one of the most common ways that we work with integers in the real world is with a thermometer. We have 0 degrees Celsius. If it's 5 degrees outside, that's warmer than the 0. If it's -5, it's cooler, and it's below the negative because it's gone under this 0 degrees. Another way we work with integers in the real world is with money. So right here in the middle, we have 0. If you have $0, you're right here in the middle. Now, if you've worked really hard and you did a bunch of yard work and you cleaned the house and you've done things for the neighbors and you earn $100, you're up here in the positives. You have $100. But if you started out down here at the 0 and you found a video game that you really want to buy and you convince your parents to buy it for you and say, I will pay you back, you owe them $100 because you don't have any money. So you're negative $100. That's how we work with positive and negatives with money, is if you have the money, you're up here in the positive. If you owe someone money, you're down here in the negative. Another way that we can use our integers in the real world would be thinking of different types of transportation. So right here at ground level, we have a bike. They travel right on the ground. They're neither above nor below. They're right there on the ground. They're at 0. A helicopter flying up in the sky could be about 300 feet above the ground. So the helicopter would be in this positive up here at 300. Down here at negative 200 feet below the ground, that would be where a subway is. So they're at negative. They're down below 0. So in today's lesson, as you practice working with integers in the real world, if you see the words gain, up, earn, anything along those lines, you're going to be moving on the number line up or to the right because that's in the positive direction. If you see words such as lose, owe, below, or words similar to those, you move down the number line or to the left because that means that you're losing something. That's going in the negative direction. So have fun with today's math lesson.